Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you the application not found in the Amazon App Store that gives you full access to all of your favorite sporting events from around the globe. This one application offers football, baseball, basketball, hockey, UFC and so much more absolutely free. If you want to know how you can have this amazing application on your Fire Stick, well, just sit right there because I'm going to show you how you can get it right now. The first thing that we need to do is search the app on the Amazon App Store, and the easiest way to do that, simply move left, slide down and click on search bar. Then you will have a little keypad allowing you to search any app that is available on the Amazon App Store. Today we are here for the downloader app. I will tap on the screen as I spell it. As you can see, I have typed only one word and the session list appeared. So we don't need to type entire spelling. Just slide down and click on the downloader. Next, click on this bright orange color downloader icon. Now here it will give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick device. So let's click on the download button. Once installation finish, it says open the app, but guys, I don't want to open this app yet because I need to change one more setting on our device, and the easiest way to do that, hold down your remote home button for just few seconds and then you will have a little pop-up menu on your screen. Here select settings, then slide down and click on my Fire TV. Guys, here you can see that I have a developer option on my Fire Stick. If you don't see this option on your Fire Stick, don't worry, it's super easy to get. All you need to do, click on about and here click on Fire TV stick name about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will have a little pop-up on below asking you that now you have a developer option. In my case, it's asking me no need, you are already a developer options. So now you to have a developer options. Let's hit the back button on your remote and click on developer options. Slide down, click on install unknown apps. As you can see here, downloader app is by default set to off. So all we need to do, hit the downloader button one time and the downloader app will turn on. Now go back to the home screen by pressing remote home button. Alright guys, before we can access our store, there is one more important step that we need to complete, and the easiest way to do that, hold down your remote microphone button and say IP vanish, and within a few seconds it will take you to the IP vanish app. Here click on IP vanish icon. Next click download. Now guys, I am choosing IP Vanish VPN because it's the #1 recommended application when it's come to keeping you 100% safe, 100% anonymous and bypassing all of the restriction that your own internet provider is putting on your devices. And it's also reliable, fast and perfect for the Fire Stick. Once installation finish, press remote select button to launch the IP Vanish. When you open this app for the first time, it will ask your username and password. For any reason, if you don't have a username and password, don't worry, it's super easy to get. All you need to do, click on the link that I provided you in this video description. Also, I will pin in the comment section. These links will take you to the IP Vanish website where you can pick a plan that fits your need. Once you sign up, you will get your own username and password to enter the app. By using my links, you will get a special discount that you will not find anywhere else. Plus, when you sign up, you are also supporting this channel. Now go ahead and enter your username and password. I'm going to enter mine and I'll meet you in just a second. Welcome to the IP Vanish VPN. Before we can hit connect, let's quickly go over a few steps. First, scroll down and select the locations. Now here you can pick any location you want your VPN to connect. You can select any location you prefer. or just choose the optimal location to let the IP vanish pick the best server for you. So I'm going to hit on the optimal location, click connect, then click on OK. After that, wait a few moments until the VPN connected. When you see connected message, this means you are fully connected to the VPN and 100% protected by using any apps that you have downloaded from my store. Alright, our VPN is connected. Now hit the remote home button. VPN and 100% protected by using any app that you have downloaded from my store. Okay, our VPN is connected. Now hit the remote home button. And here we need to find downloader app that we have installed before the VPN app. Move to the applications. And guys, here you will find all applications that you have installed on your device, and the last app that we have installed always goes to the bottom of the list. So slide down or up depending on your apps. Select downloader app. First time launching downloader app, it will ask you allow some permissions. So click on allow and then hit OK. Right guys, this is the home screen of the downloader app. This app allows you to download apps that are not available in the Amazon App Store. In the downloader app, you will see search bar. Let's hit the remote select button 2 times, 1, twice, and then a keyboard appear on your screen allowing you to visit any website that you are looking for. Today I'm going to take you one website to visit. I will type on the screen as I spell it. After typing the URL, then click on the go button. Wait a few moments and then it will take you to this website. Now here all you need to do, slide down by using remote navigation keys and click on this download button, Android download button. And within a few seconds, app will start downloading. Once the downloading finish, it will take you to the installation process. Here, simply move to the install and click on it. Wait a few seconds until this app installed on your device. Then click on done and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore to taking over Firestick valuable space. Hit delete. Move and hit delete. Alright guys, that's all we need from the downloader app. Now hit the remote home button. And guys, now here we need to give the unlinked app permission to download and install apps on our Firestick device. And the easiest way to do that, move to the settings gear icon, slide down, click on My Fire TV. When you select My Fire TV, it will take you to the previously open Firestick setting. So let's hit the back button and then click on Install Unknown Apps. Now guys, you can see here the unlinked app. Turn on the unlinked app just like before we did the downloader app. So let's select unlinked app, press remote select button and the unlinked app is turned on. Once the both apps are enabled, let's hit the remote home button. From here, what I want you to do, move to the application icon and click on it. As I mentioned before, this is where you can find all of the apps that you have installed on your device, and the latest one that we have installed always goes to the bottom of the list. Just scroll down and select the unlinked app. After launching, wait a few seconds until this app fully load on your device. Then click on 2 times on the add a new library. Then you will have a keyboard on your screen allowing you to enter the code that you have. Now guys, I'm spending more hours to creating this store, updating all of the apps for you, and in the return I just only want comment below, let me know your experience about this video and take some time to subscribe this channel. This tells me thank you. Now you are a subscriber, it's time to enter the code that I have created just for you. After typing the code, slide down and click on next. This is the welcome screen. Select enter. Welcome to my personal app store. Here you will find variety of apps. It's designed to bring you something unique. Feel free to explore all of them and let me know in the comment section which one works best for you. But today's video we are here for the Sports Fire application. This app offers you football, baseball, basketball, hockey, UFC and so much more absolutely free. So all you need to do, come down and select the Sport Fire application. Then press your remote select button and click download. Wait until this app downloaded on our device. Once the downloading finished, you will have a pop-up on your screen. So here select install app. Then you will have an installation section on your screen. Select install. Give your system just a few moments until this app installed on our device. Then click done. After that, it will take you right back to the store so you can download even more applications. Guys, you are already in the store. Feel free to download as many apps as you like. Everything is completely free, including all of the entertainment. It's designed to provide you something unique. Alright, we have downloaded app that we want. Now press and hold the remote home button for a few seconds. And at this time, we are going to select apps. Now remember that all the newest app that we have installed always goes to the bottom of the list. Take some time to explore them and I love to hear what you think in the comment section about the apps, the video or even the store. And if something is not working, let me know in the comment section. I will get fixed it so you always have a best applications that actually works. And if you have not done yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends so they can enjoy all of this free entertainment too. Thanks for watching. I'll take you in the next video.